Hey guys, it's Emilio here from the Yak team, and I just wanted to show you the mobile version of Yak and a couple of its main features. So, much like the desktop app, it's organized in the same way. Each of these are actually not individual messages, instead, it's threaded conversations. So if I click into Justin, I can see every message that's sent in the past in order alongside the transcription and the fact of whether or not it's been listened to, indicated by the double yellow check marks. Now, a message that has been delivered will appear with a solid gray out single checkmark. Now, if I wanted to quickly reply to either one of his messages or even one of my messages to just quickly send another voice message, I can swipe to the left and see the reply icon. And if I release this, it'll immediately start recording a message to Justin. Let's exit out of that. Now, if I heard an important message from Justin and I wanted to snooze it for later as a reminder, I can swipe to the right, click snooze for tomorrow, and it automatically default to reminding me at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Or I can click later and have it remind me within 2 hours. Let's go back to the main menu. Now, if you wanted to send a message to multiple people, this is quickly done by clicking the new message icon at the bottom right hand corner. I can click Justin and Heather and Jordan. Now, this feature means I'm sending a message to one-to-many, where if each person replied to me, they would individually reply in a separate conversation that I have with them, respectively. However, if I wanted to create a group to carry on a conversation with all of these people and have them all involved to be able to read and listen to every single Yak message that occurs, I would most likely want to create a group. The way you do this is by going to the top right-hand corner, clicking the plus icon, and then you'll see the option to create a group. Select that, unname the group test. For now, we automatically generate a photo as you see at the top, starting with the first letter of the name that you give it. And we can add Jordan, Heather, and Justin all in this group. And if I wanted to remove anyone because I accidentally added someone, I can remove Heather, I can remove Jordan. And as you can see at the top, if I intend to remove a person and the number ends up being less than 3, it'll actually prompt me that it's not able to do this, because if you only have a group with 2 people, it is simply just a one-to-one message, as you would if I were to just send a message to Justin and do it this way. Now, if you're looking to invite and add people to Yak, you go to the top right-hand corner, hit the plus symbol, and invite people. Here you're able to invite them via their username or their email address. If you hit the settings cog at the top left-hand corner, you're able to edit your profile, edit the transcription language in which it appears in Yak. I have mine set to English. You're able to select the help option and send us messages over through our support system. Here's another option to invite people and some other things. And lastly, you can have push notifications on or off and decide to sign out. The last feature I want to display is being able to play new messages. This is a new button at the bottom, as you can see right here. It'll play the messages that you have unread in order that they were sent, so you can quickly give yourself an update for the day. What's great about this is that I can listen to a ton of messages on 1.5 speed, 2 times speed. I can decide to forward this if it's important. I can send it I can copy the link to it. I can save it to my device. I can forward it to a voice memo so that I can have this message for myself. Let's go ahead and actually do that now. And as I listen, I can put it on 2 times speed, skip messages that I deem irrelevant if I'm deep into them. And then once I'm done, everything clears. The indication of playing new messages disappears because I've read everything and I'm completely up to date. One last thing I'd like to show you guys is the types of messages in Yaks you can send to people. So let's click on Justin. So what's unique to the mobile version of Yak is you have 2 different options that you don't have on the desktop app. So on the bottom right hand corner, you'll see the ability to send a forward-facing camera video as a Yak. And then on the bottom left-hand corner, you have the ability to send a still image to be able to do a voiceover for that Yak. And lastly, of course, we have the normal voice message that you'd be able to send over to anyone within Yak. And that's basically the mobile version of Yak. Do you have any further questions? You can always send us a message inside of Yak by sending a Yak over to Yak support by searching for us, and it should appear on your team as such. Alternatively, you could also send us an email at support@yak.com. Other than that, guys, I hope this video helped a lot. Thank you for choosing Yak, and I'll see you later.